In which city?
Thrissur,
Oh, good. Cultural capital of Kerala.
India. Kerala,
India.
yes.
India or I don't
Kerala,
know. Kerala.
Kerala.
Yeah. Yeah. If you want to say India, I have no objection. Exactly. Now, um, good evening, candidates. This is for Federal Bank Probationary Officers Test. Today we are starting with the synonyms and antonyms. I am requesting Miss Neetu Unni to read this. Neetu Unni, please read this. I know you can't read Hindi, but read only English.
Yes, yes.
Continue.
Synonyms and antonyms. Indirect, adjective. The old. Synonyms, entire, complete. Antonyms, broken. Example, sentence, only the medieval tower had remained intact.
Number 2.
Second, wave, verb. Disregard. Synonyms, ignore, overlook. Antonyms, uphold. Example sentence, he didn't waive his right in the matter. 3. Outgoing, adjective. Departing. Synonyms, retiring, leaving. Antonyms, incoming. Example sentence, the outgoing PM is an inspiration for all.
Yeah. Continue.
4. Forego, verb. Do without. Synonyms, go without, give up. Antonyms, keep. Example sentence, he wanted to forego the tea and leave while they could.
But I think this sentence is not correct. He wanted to forego the tea and leave.
While they could.
Even still, it is not very complete. It doesn't matter. Number 5.
Adverse, adjective. Unfavorable. Synonyms, disadvantages, inauspicious. Antonyms, favorable. Example sentence, taxes are having an adverse effect on production.
Number 6.
Alliance, noun, relationship. Synonyms, affinity, association. Antonyms, distance. Example sentence, a balanced alliance between traditions and modernity avoids chaos.
Chaos. Chaos means what? Chaos means confusion.
Okay, sir. Okay,
confusion. Sir. Yeah. Continue. Number 7.
Ali, verb, combine. Synonyms, marry, couple. Antonyms, split. Example sentence, he allied his racing experience with his father's business acumen.
Acumen means ability or
yes,
capability. Continue.
Okay, sir. Renunciation, noun. Abandonment. Synonyms, resignation.
Please read properly. Number 8.
Renunciation.
Renunciation.
Okay.
Renunciation.
Abandonment. Synonyms, resignation, abdication. Anonymous, assertion. Example sentence, the talks were dependent on a renunciation of terrorism.
The talks were dependent on renunciation of terrorism. Continue.
Renunciation of terrorism.
Renunciation means giving up. Giving up. Buddha gave up, renounced his kingdom. Yeah. Number 9.
Ultimate, adjective, eventual. Synonyms, last, final. Antonyms, immediate. Example sentence, my team's ultimate aim was to delay his resignation. 10. Mitigate, verb, alleviate. Synonyms, reduce, diminish. Antonyms, aggravate. Example sentence, drainage schemes have helped to mitigate this problem.
Mitigate
this problem.
instead of this problem, mitigate health problems.
Mitigate health problem.
Mhm. Yeah, very good. Good. Now, can you tell in Malayalam some of the words what you are seeing here? Just a minute. Whatever words you can explain in Malayalam, you explain. Not everything.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Intact, whatever you can explain in Malayalam. It may be the word or the synonyms or the antonyms. Tell you explain in your language.
Intact means
Huh?
synonymous. Entire means മുഴുവനായും, complete, പൂർണ്ണമായും.
Good.
Antonyms broken. അതായത് പൊട്ടിച്ചു കളയുക അല്ലെങ്കിൽ തകരുക.
Broken. That is break, broken. Very good. Next. Ignore means what?
നിഷേധിക്കുക.
Overlook, ignore means what?
Ignore നിഷേധിക്കുക. Completely avoid.
Avoid. Then uphold.
Uphold means മുറുകെ പിടിക്കുക, hold ചെയ്യുക, അങ്ങനെ മുറുകെ പിടിക്കുക.
Good. Very good. Next, departing.
Departing means എത്തിച്ചേരുക.
That is going away. എത്തിച്ചേരുക. That is I mean, the train is departing at 5 o'clock.
Yes. Train 5 മണിക്ക് എത്തിച്ചേർന്നു.
Correct. Next, synonyms. Retiring, leaving is easy only.
Retiring, leaving. പിരിഞ്ഞു പോവുക.
Correct. Good. Opposite, antonyms.
തിരിച്ചു വരിക, incoming.
Returning back. Very good. Then forgo, do without.
ചെയ്യാനൊന്നുമില്ലാതെ.
That is forgo means foregoing meals. I am forced to forego meals yesterday because my cook has not come. She has not come and cooked. Something like that. Okay?
Yes.
Very good. Thank you so much. I am giving all these words. In our WhatsApp group.
Okay, sir.
Our group is Federal Bank group. I am giving it. Very good. Excellent. Yeah. Now what we will do, we will go to. Yeah. Now how many of you have come already? I think good number of people have come. Nearly 17, 18 people have come. Very good. It's a good number. Yeah. Now what we will do, today we will take up say a few problems that are already given in our materials to you. I really wanted to do percentages, then simple interest and profit and loss. So in fact, if we want, we can go into that also. indiabix.com, arithmetic aptitude. In that, 1 minute. One minute here. Why it is not coming? I have to go there. Where is it? Credit officer, this and all is not required. 1 minute. Let me go and remove those things that are not required. Here it is complete. And here, when I come, I can reduce this. Yeah, I want this one. I want this one. This one also can be taken away. I want this one. So when I am here, I have to, yeah, I have to try for this one. Let me try for this one. And now some more new people have come. Have they joined? Participants can now see your selection. Yeah. Now I told you we will do percentage. I told you, na? Percentage, profit and loss, and simple interest. So we will go to percentage. Percentage, I think we have done some. Okay. Please take up question number 3. Please take up question number 3. Please take up question number 3 and try to do that problem. A fruit seller had some apples. He sells 40% apples and still has 420 apples with him. So that means originally, how many did he have? Originally, how much was with him before selling that 40%? So what is the answer for this? Come on. There will be somebody who can get me immediately. Come on.
Option D.
700 apples, sir.
700. Oh, very good. 40%. No. Oh, still he is left with this. So 420 plus 280 will get you 700. Correct? What is this? Why it is coming like this? I don't want. Yeah. So the answer is 700. Good. Excellent. Now, I am taking you to similar problem here in terms of percentage. I think this problem we did the other day. Are you seeing question number 43 on the screen now? Or you are seeing only India Bix? Excuse me, Neetu Udni, are you seeing question number 43? Manoj gave 60% of his salary. Are you seeing that or not? No. Okay, let me again share it. Now
Yes, sir, I am seeing.
now I am sure because you did not answer me, so I had to change it. No problem. So question number 43, all of you please answer. 43. Manoj gave 60% of his salary to his wife and invested rest amount in mutual funds. His wife spends 30% of the amount on grocery and 20% on rent. From the remaining amount, she purchased gold worth rupees 18,000. Find the salary of Manoj. Manoj gave 60% of his salary to his wife and invested rest amount in mutual funds. His wife spends 30% of amount on grocery and 50% on rental. From the remaining amount, she purchased gold worth 18,000. That means she is not having any money now. She has spent all that 60,000. All that 60,000. Sorry. All that 60% money he gave, she has spent. Now, the question is, how much is the salary of Manoj?
60,000.
60,000. Correct. The answer is 60,000. I think there may be some people who are not getting 60,000. Now, please explain how you got that 60,000. Tell. Come on. I can explain it, but I want you to explain it so that you get the ability to speak in English and also develop confidence to speak at, say, instances suddenly. Are you able
Sir,
to listen
total,
to me? Ah,
sir, total 36,000 given to his wife, sir. 36,000, 60% means 100% means 60,000.
no, 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 no. 36,000 is not given in the problem.
Not giving the problem, sir. But according to the problem, total
No,
amount
no.
given to
But
his wife was 36,000, sir.
true, but you tell how to approach the problem.
Yes, sir. If his wife spends 30% and 20% in the name of percentages, sir.
Hmm,
50
hmm,
and 50% amount was 18,000, sir. So,
hmm.
so total amount given to his wife was 36,000.
Correct.
50% means 18,000.
50%
100%
is
means
36,000.
36,000, sir. So
Correct.
here 36,000 was 60%, sir.
Hmm.
So if we take the 100%, it is 60,000.
100 by 60 into 60,000. Sorry, 100 by 60 into 36,000. 36,000. He has given 50% of the money given by him to his wife is 18,000. So 100% of the money given by him to his wife is 18 into 2, 36,000. And this 36,000 is 60% of the salary of Manoj. So full salary of Manoj is 100 by 60 into 36,000, whatever it is equivalent to 60,000. I hope all of you can follow this. Anybody not understanding? Please tell. Anybody is not understanding? It is not a tough problem. This is the type of problem they were giving in 2018, 19 and all. Nowadays, they will give still tougher problem. Now, please go to question number 44. Though this is not in the portion I have given you, but it's a very simple problem. Please work out 44. Please work out 44.
448, sir.
Pardon? 4? 400?
448 centimeters square.
Correct. 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 Let others try it. Let others try it.
$448, sir.
Correct. Good, good, good. Correct. Yes. Shall we take up for explanation? Now, the first girl who said 448, kindly explain how it is.
Yes, sir. Sir, length and breadth ratio is given, that is 4x and 7x. So as we know, the perimeter of the rectangle is 2 in bracket L plus B. So we put the value of ratio, that is 4x and 7x. Putting this value, we get the value of x, that is 4. So we know the formula for area of rectangle, that is length into breadth. So by putting value of x, that is length, that is 4 into 4, 16, and breadth 4 into 7, that is 28. By multiplying this, we get the answer 448 centimeters square.
4x, 7x you said.
Yes,
so, sir. Here 28x is equal to 88 centimeter. So x is equal to 4. So that means 4x is equal to 16. and 7x is equal to 28.
28.
So
Yes, sir.
28 into 16 is equal to 4. You did not explain properly. Can you explain still now properly? Your explanation
Yes,
was
sir,
not.
I can.
Now do it correctly in English.
Okay, sir. Sir, as we have length and breadth ratio of that, so we first put in the formula of perimeter, that is 2 into length plus breadth, and we have it is a 88 centimeter. So by putting 4 and 7 value of length and breadth ratio, so we can get the value of x, that is 4, and by putting it in the formula of area of rectangle, that is length into breadth, so 4 into x, that is the 4, 16, and 7 into 4, that is 28. By multiplying this, we get the answer 448 centimeter square.
Good. Very good. Vishwa. You are Vishwa from which state?
Sir, I am from Maharashtra, sir.
Good. Your answer is correct. What is the degree post-graduation you have done?
Sir, I have done MSc Physics, sir.
Very good. Thank you. Thank you so much. Now, friends, we can go for question number 45. This is also not in our syllabus today, but it's a very simple problem. Yeah, please do question number 45.
B, sir.
Answer is B for Bombay. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting B for Bombay? Anybody? How many of you have got B for Bombay? Please raise your hand. How many of you have got B for Bombay as the answer? Raise your hand. Only Anaga has raised. What happened? Vishwa, you could not get it. Vishwa?
Sorry, sir, I didn't get which question number, so I missed it.
45. I gave you the question number as 45.
Okay, sir.
45 is the question number I gave you. The only two of you have got. See, candidates, you must know the formula for area of a circle. What is the formula? You must have studied in your 5th class, 6th class. Pi r square. Pi means how much? 22 by 7. R means radius. Here you get pi r square. In this case, in this problem, what they have given? The radius of a circle is 14 centimeter square. But there is another circle having 1.5 times the radius. So 1.5 times the radius means what? 14, 1.5 time of that is 21. Now, we have to find the area of the new circle with the radius of 21 centimeter. So, area is 22 by 7 into 21 into 21. That will give us 1386 centimeter square. Now, I hope all of you follow this. Ramu, are you able to understand this now?
Yes, sir.
विश्वा जाधव समझ गए आपको?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
जयलक्ष्मी புரியுதா?
Yes, sir. Understand.
புரிஞ்சது. Very good. நன்றி. Thank you. நன்றி in Tamil means thank you in English. Okay. Now we will go to next question. 58. Yeah, this is profit and loss. And regarding profit and loss, we have not done any problem here so far. So we will go to one profit and loss problem here. 1 minute. Profit and loss. Profit and loss. We will take one of the problems. I will show you the screen. Profit and loss formulas first. First, they are giving formulas. Please note down, all of you, this is nothing new. Everybody knows this. Cost price. Cost price means the price at which an article is purchased is called cost price. It is normally abbreviated as CP or purchase price. Both are same. Next, selling price. The price at which an article is sold is called selling price. Abbreviation SP. Profit or gain. If SP is greater than CP, the seller is said to have a profit or gain. Loss means if selling price is less than cost price, the seller is said to have incurred a loss. Very simple. Important formula, gain is equal to SP minus CP, because SP will be more than CP. Loss means CP is higher. CP minus SP, that is cost price minus selling price. Loss or gain is always reckoned on cost price. It is always reckoned on cost price unless specifically told. Gain percentage, how much, means how much has been the gain amount into 100 divided by cost price. Similarly, loss percentage is equal to loss into 100 divided by cost price. Up to this, it is clear. And another way of finding out selling price is 100 plus gain percentage divided by 100 into CP will give us selling price. This, of course, you have to imagine within yourself how to find it out. Supposing I tell you cost price of an article is 200 rupees and the gain percentage is 40%. Can you tell me what is the selling price now? Very simple.
280, sir.
Correct. Let me again repeat another question for Jayalakshmi. Jayalakshmi, the cost price of an article is 1,500 rupees. 1,500 rupees. And the profit percentage is 30%. Now, what will be the selling price? Can you tell me? Very simple.
4,500, sir.
Huh?
Sorry, 1,950.
Correct. Exactly. Very happy. Now, we will go to somebody else. Anu Krishnan. Anu Krishnan, you are buying a smartphone for 25,000 rupees. 25,000 rupees you are buying. But unfortunately, after some time, you are forced to sell that. Now, you are selling it for 15,000 rupees only. You are not able to sell more than that. Anu Krishna, please tell me what is the loss percentage you had to incur? Let me again repeat the question. Anu Krishnan bought a smartphone for 25,000 rupees. But after some days, she needed money immediately. he had to sell it for 15,000 rupees. Now, how much is the loss percentage Anu Krishnan had to incur? Anu Krishnan.
So 40%.
Correct. Good. Very good. It's very simple. The cost price was 25,000. Loss incurred was 10,000. So 10,000 divided by 25,000 into 100 will give you 40%. Very good, Anu Krishnan. You are from which state?
So Kerala.
Kerala only. Very good. So this is the selling price loss percentage I explained. Then cost price is equal to, if you are given selling price, this is how you have to arrive at the cost price. Similarly, cost price, if you are given loss percentage, this is how you have to arrive at the cost price. Number 10, if an article is sold at a gain of 35%, that means selling price is equal to 135% of CP. It is always taken cost price to be 100. And if somebody says it is sold at 45% profit, now the selling price will be 145. Somebody says it is sold at 30% loss, the selling price will be 70. Cost price is 100. Same thing is explained here. Then when a person sells, this type of problems comes. When a person sells two similar items, one at a gain of say X% and another at a loss of 10%, then the seller always incurs a loss given by, that is X by 10 to the power of 2. Common loss and gain percentage divided by 10 into square. So this is the formula you have to remember. Supposing when a person sells two similar items, that is he has got two, let us say what? He has got two televisions. One he sells at 10% profit, another he sells at a 10% loss. Then he makes how much percentage loss or gain? Here they are not giving you the amount. They are giving you only percentage. Here it is X by 10 to the power square. If a trader professes to sell his goods at cost price but uses false weights, this type of problems also comes. That is, he says, I am selling at cost price, all of you come. That is what he will do. He will put 800 gram as 1000 gram and sell it. So the error, the error divided by true value minus error into 100%. Here it is given as percentage only. Gain percentage is error divided by true value minus error into 100%. I am unable to explain it. Maybe someone can, you please write down this formula in your notebook. Think about it. Tomorrow we can discuss about it. Yeah. 1 minute. Just a minute. Somebody is coming. Somebody wants to join us. Yeah. Yeah. Now, where are we now? Exactly. Share and WhatsApp. Where is our India Bix? India Bix is here. Now we will go for one or two problems. We will see how it comes. Profit and loss. Profit and loss. Let us take question number 2. I think it must be easy. Please do this. The cost price of 20 articles is the same as the selling price of X articles. If the profit is 25%, then the value of X is how much?
Sir, the question screen is not visible.
Acha, I'm sorry. Please tell me like this. Sometimes I commit mistakes. Now, are you able to see?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Please see. This problem is slightly difficult to understand, but please think. See, you have to understand like this. The cost price of the article is 20 rupees, but the selling price is that of X articles. That means, and next sentence he says he is making a gain of 25%. That means what is the meaning? Supposing he is buying 100, he is not selling all the 100, but he is selling only less portion of that, less number of that. But still he makes a gain of 25%. So now what will be the value of X? How many numbers he is how many articles he is selling? He is buying 20 articles, but he is selling only X articles. But the selling price of those X articles is equal to the cost price of 20 articles. So that means how much is the profit percentage? This understanding is difficult, but can you get the answer, anybody? It's a good question. A fellow is buying only 20 articles, he is keeping it with him. Out of them, he is selling some articles for 20, supposing he is buying at 20 rupees. Now he is selling a portion of the article in 20 rupees. And he makes a gain of 25% now. He has got some more articles left with him, but still in the article he has made a gain of 25%. Question is, how many articles did he sell?
16B.
Correct. The answer is 16. First question, it cannot be 25 because he is buying only 20 articles. So he cannot sell 25 out of 20. So that is wrong. But one out of these three, one answer can be there. And how did you arrive at that answer? Who told the answer? What is your name?
Me, Ruhi.
Pardon?
Ruhi.
Rugi
Agarwal.
Agarwal. Tell me, how did you arrive at this 16?
Sir, this type of questions we used to find the formula like we used to apply the formula like cost price minus selling price or the number of articles. How much the article we have bought minus how much article we have sold, then divided by the number of sold articles, then is equal to 25%. So that would be the 20 minus X divided by X is equal to 25%. By this, we will get the value of x, that is 16.
Yeah. Let the CP of each article be 1, as I told you. So the X article is
20
equal
minus
to X.
x divided by x. Yeah.
Selling price of X is equal to 20. Profit is equal to 20 minus X. 20 minus X into 100 is equal to 25. So 2000 minus 100x is equal to 25x. 125x is equal to 2000. X is equal to 16. Or it can be found like this. You can apply, let the cost price be 20. Cost price of 20 articles be 20. 16 articles when they are sold for 20, what is the profit? 4. 4 by 16 into 100 is equal to 25. So that is the answer. 15 and 5. Supposing it is 15 articles, the profit is 5 rupees. So 5 by 15 into 100 means it comes as 33 and 1 by 3%. So that is not the answer. That way, in some problems, few candidates, they arrive at the answers from the answers also, from the given answers. That can also be done. Very good. Now, incidentally, let me tell you, candidates, you must be thorough with 1 by 2 into 100. That is 50. For example, an article is sold at a profit of 1 by 2. That is 1 by 2 of the cost price means
50%.
50.
50%.
So similarly, all of you should write down. Please write down in your notebook 1 by 2, 1 by 3, up to 1 by 20. Please write down 1 by 3 into 100, 1 by 4 into 100, 1 by 5 into 100, 1 by 6 into 100, 1 by 7 into 100, 1 by 8 into 100, 1 by 9 into 100, 1 by 10 into 100. Then 1 by 11 into 100, 1 by 12 into 100, 1 by 13 into 100, 1 by 14 into 100, 1 by 15 into 100. I am also writing here 1 by 16 into 100, 1 by 17 into 100, 1 by 18 into 100, 1 by 19 into 100, 1 by 20 into 100. How much are you getting? Please write down. Later on, we will discuss. I will give you 2 minutes time. You can tell me in fraction or percentage. By fraction, I mean 1 by 3 means it is 33 1 by 3. That is one way of, this is fraction. Percentage means 33.33. I hope you understand. 33.33. That is percentage. Fraction means 33 and 1 by 3. Please work out. Now let us give it in fraction only for convenience sake. Please don't use calculator. Use your memory and then do it. Candidates, don't use, because I think in exams, you cannot use calculator. Yes, all of you have arrived at the answers. लिमला शालू, लिमला शालू आपने कंप्लीट कर दिया नहीं किया? Have you completed it or not? Limla Shalu, Limla Shalu, you have completed answering? No.
No, sir.
No. So you want how many minutes more? 1 minute more? 2 minutes more?
1 minute more.
Okay, you take 1 more minute.
Completed, sir.
Completed. Very good. Now 1 minute. I am on here only. Now, Limlu, please tell me what is 1 by 18 into 100 in terms of fraction?
Sorry, voice is breaking.
1 by 18 into 100. Sorry, 1 by 18 into 100. Correct, correct. Yeah. Limlu. Or what have you prepared? You tell me, Limlu. Now, we will go to Shifana. Shifana, have you written 1 by 18 into 100? Shifana. Ramu, have you arrived at 1 by 18 into 100? Anybody has done it? Why?
Sir, 5.5.
5.5.
Correct. 5 and 5 by 9. Excellent. Very good. Now we will go to Hari Priya. Hari Priya, please tell me 1 by 15 into 100. How much?
6 2 by 3.
Very nice. Thank you. We will go to Anu Thomas. What is 1 by 9 into 100? Anu Thomas, 1 by 9 into 100. Or in other words, 100 divided by 9. Anu Thomas is not able to tell. Nikita Jijo. Nikita Jijo, not able to. 11 and 1 by 9. In terms of fraction, 11 and 1 by 9. Very good. When you put it in percentage, again, it will be 11.11, something like that. Very good. Next, Yedvina. Yedvina, can you answer me what is 1 by 13 into 100? Yedvina. Now, Navina, can you answer 1 by 13 into 100? Vijay Lakshmi, can you answer?
9 by 13, sir.
Pardon? 7?
9 by 13.
Very good. Thank you, Navina. Vijay Lakshmi, can you answer me what is 1 by 7 into 100? Hello? Why this much time?
It's
Vijay,
14. Sir.
14 and
14.28%.
in other words, I wanted in fraction, so you should have told me 14 and 2 by 7. First class. Thank you. Now we will go to Neetu Unni. Neetu Unni, I should ask some tougher one for you. What is 1 by 14 into 100?
1 by 14 into 100.
7.142.
Correct. 7 and 1
Yes.
by 7. Good. Very good. 7 and 1 by 7. It will be because
Okay.
7 means 98. Then 2 by 14. That will become 1 by 7. 7 and 1 by 7. Thank you, Neetu Unni. Neetu Unni was the first candidate to come today for our class. Now, we will ask our friend mm, M. Arati. Can you tell me 1 by 12 into 100? Arati, 1 by 12 into 100. Then Ruhi Agrawal, can you tell me 1 by 12 into 100?
Sir, 8.33%.
Correct. Or 8 and 1 by 3. Good. Very nice. I appreciate you. Now we will go to Mr. Sri Hari. Sri Hari, what is 1 by 11 into 100? 1 by 11 into 100. Quickly.
Sir, actually, I just joined, sir. I was just starting it again. I
Acha, acha. Say,
Yeah,
okay,
yeah.
okay. No, I know. You came after our starting, but then even then it is not a tough one. I was telling you 1 by 11 into 100. You could have written and then found it out. What is the
Yes,
degree you studied?
sir. I am MBA, sir.
MBA in which subject?
Marketing and finance, sir.
Before that, what did you study?
BCom.
This is the problem. BCom people don't like maths. You cannot be like this. You must love mathematics. You must love reasoning. You
Yeah,
must
yes, sir.
like English. Then only it is good. Anyhow, doesn't matter. Sri
Yes, sir.
Hari. Now, who I have omitted? Bidisha. Bidisha, please tell me what is 1 by 11 into 100.
Sir, 9 and 1 by 11.
Super. Bidisha, you are from Bangladesh, I am asking. You are from
Sir,
West
for
Bengal.
West Bengal. Yes, sir.
I am asking wrongly. No problem. Now, next one, who has not answered so far? Jasmine Syriac. Jasmine Syriac. What is 1 by 8 into 100? It is 12.5%. Some certain items I have omitted. I am just telling you. Please check it. 1 by 2 is equal to 50. 1 by 4 is equal to 25. 1 by 5 is equal to 20. 1 by 6 is equal to 16. 2 by 3. 1 by 10 is into 100 is equal to 10%. And 1 by 16 is equal to 6 and 1 by 4. 1 by 17 is equal to 5. 15 by 17. 1 by 19 is equal to 5. 5 by 19. 1 by 20 into 100 is equal to 5%. Is it clear? Yeah. Now, we will go for one more problem from this. Let us take question number 4. In a certain store, the profit is 320% of the cost. If the cost increases by 25%, but the selling price remains constant, approximately what percentage of selling price is the profit? Oh, super. In a certain store, the profit is 320% of the cost. Okay. If the cost increases by 25%, okay, but the selling price remains constant. Here, in such problems, normally what we do, we take the original cost price to be 100, and from there we proceed.
Sir, 70%.
Acha, good. Anybody else got 70%?
Yes, sir. 70%.
Acha, good. How did you arrive at this?
Sir, we had taken the cost price as 100 and selling price as 100 plus 320, so 420.
Hmm.
By arriving the new cost price as 125, by increasing the 25 plus like 100 plus 25, 125, and by taking the selling price as same, like 420. So the difference between 420 and 125 is 295. So the percentage of selling price is the profit, like about 295 by 420 into 100, we will get 70%.
Super. Excellent. Good, 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 good.
Thank you, sir.
Very nice. Very nice. Very happy. Excellent. Thank you. Good. You told nicely. Now we will do one or two problem here from our paper. From our paper. Please take question number 58. Question number 58. A shopkeeper marked the price of an article by 40% above the cost price and gave a discount of rupees 224. On the final amount, he charged 10% tax. In the whole transaction, he earned 158.6. Find the cost price of the article. Super problem. I think really good challenging problem. Please work out. It's a tough problem. Anybody got the answer? Anybody got the answer, please? The answer will be 750. It's a really somewhat challenging problem. The answer will come out like this. Let the cost price be 100x. Then marked price is 140x, 40% more. Now the selling price is 140x minus 224. Now selling price after tax, that is 10% included. That is 110 times of 140x minus 224. That is equal to 154x minus 246.4. So as per the question, 100x plus 158. Here he says he is making a gain of 158. So 100x plus 158.x6 is equal to 154x minus 246.4. When you work out, x will come out as 7.5. The cost price of the article is 100x. That is 100 into 7.5 is equal to 750. Please, all of you take down the answer. It is there in the material given to you also. But when you write, you will understand it. Yes. Anybody could get the answer for this correctly? Nobody. Oh. I know it was a really tough problem. Doesn't matter. Now let us go for the next one, 59. 59 is not related to what we are discussing, but it's a very simple problem on partnership. Say in the case of partnership, what happened? The people invest money for different periods. And when the profit is earned, the profit is divided as per the value of money that they have left with the business. For example, if one person pays 100 rupees and stays with the business for 12 months, he will get 100 into 12, 1,200. That will be the ratio. Another person comes and invests 600 rupees, but he stays for 9 months. Then 600 into 9 is equal to 5,400. The first person is 1,200. Second person is 5,400. That means the profit division percentage will be 1,200 into 5. What is the other one I said? 600 into 9. 5,400. 1,200 into 5,400. That is equal to 12 is to 54. That is equal to 6 is to 27. That will be the way in which it has to be divided. Taking this example, let us go through question number 29 and find the answer. I think you must be able to do it. Please take about 2 minutes for doing it. In exam, you cannot have 2 minutes, but still continue.
The 20,000.
20%.
20,000.
That's a got it. Very good. Thank you. Can you explain? Any one of you, can you explain? Please explain in English. Come on. Two friends, Pinky and Drinky. Mm.
Sir, the ratio of their the period of investment that is already given, 2/2:3. And sir, we can also find out the ratio of their amount of investment, which is 6,000 is to 9,000, which will also be 2:3. Then, sir, if we individually
Yeah.
multiply,
Mm.
sir,
No,
if we individually,
but we don't have to worry about that investment ratio. Here in this problem, it comes to be same, but invariably in other problems, it can be different also. So don't worry about ratio for the investment. Simply take the investment amount. Go ahead.
yes, sir. Sir, here, since the period is also mentioned, so I have multiplied the two ratios. For example, for Rinky, it is 3 and 3. So 3 and 3 is 9. 3 into 3, 9. So 9 units, is, which equals to 45,000. And for Pinky, it will be 2 into 2, which is 4. So 4 units will be equal to 45,000 by 9 into 4, which is 20,000.
Good. You are very clever. Instead of taking it as thousands and all, simply eliminated that by numbers. Correct. You need not even have 2:3. You can take it as 6:9 is equal to 2:3. That's true. Good. That is another way of working it out. Very nice. Good.
Thank you, sir.
I appreciate you. Good. But I was doing it with 6,000, 9,000 multiply karke. I was doing it, but you have taken nicely. That's a good step. Very nice. Excellent. Now, it is nearing 9 o'clock. Any other questions anybody would like to ask? Now, like this, I request you to work out from this paper book or from the say our own model paper book. This model paper, these are the questions of the level that is being asked in the examination. Because I have taken these questions from the previous examination, not necessarily Federal Bank, some other bank. So you can try to answer them at home. Check how many marks are you getting for these things. And this is how your paper will be, whether you like it or not. This much tough or easy your paper will be. So you have to work out like this. So when this be the case, shall we take up one paper? So far we have been doing individual subjects, some topics and all. But or maybe we can do like this for some more days, till we get familiarized with all the types of questions. So we can go to India BICS. Now for our quantitative aptitude, in fact, we can continue with say problem, a simple interest we have not touched at all today. So shall we do that now? Simple interest. We have not done that.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we will do that. Simple interest formula. Please take down simple interest formula. Principal is the money borrowed or lent out for a certain period is called principal. Many people wrongly write the spelling as PRINCIPLE. That is wrong. This is principal. This is also same as your college principal. Then interest is the extra money paid for using others' money is called interest. Simple interest. If the interest on a sum borrowed for certain period is reckoned uniformly, then it is called simple interest. That is, you are being paid same rate of interest. Let the principal be R, rate of interest R, let the principal be P, rate of interest R, time T. Then simple interest is equal to P into R into T by 100. When I was studying in schools and all, we used to be told PNR by 100. P into number of years into rate of interest divided by 100. Both are same. So similarly, the P is equal to 100 into SI divided by R into T. That from this itself, you can find the other thing. If this is SI PRT divided by 100, then here P is equal to 100 into S by R and T. Then R is equal to 100 SI divided by PT. And T is equal to 100 SI divided by TR. This is how we have to find out. This you may not understand now. When you sit down calmly and find out, it is nothing very big. It has been derived from this equation only. Now, we will go to some general questions. Please do question number 1. Yes, could you work out? Unfortunately, each problem is unique. No two problems will be similar. So we have to think and then work out. A sum of money at simple interest amounts to rupees 815 in 3 years and to 854 in 4 years. What is the sum?
698, sir. Option C.
Correct. Correct.
My-
698. Correct. That is the answer. How to find out? Yeah. Can anyone explain how to arrive at this answer? Please explain in English. I want you to speak in English. Yeah.
So in the question, the third year amount and the fourth year amount has been given, sir.
Okay.
So finding the difference, we get the difference we can get, sir. That is 49, sir. For the third and fourth.
49 or
sorry, 39, sir. 39. 39.
Yeah.
39,
yeah.
sir.
Okay.
For 1 year is 39, sir. For 3 years it is 117, sir.
Correct.
And subtracting it from the 815, we could get the answer, sir. 698.
Excellent. Thank you, Ajay. Thank you. You told nicely. Now, please do the next problem. Next problem number 2. Please do problem number 2. This type of problems they are asking nowadays. This type of problem is involving lot of calculation, multiplication, this, that, and all. Rihu Agarwal, could you arrive at the answer? Rihu, are you there? Rihu
Yes,
Agarwal.
sir, solving.
Yeah, you are working. Please work out. The answer for this is 7,500. 7,500. The explanation is like this. Let the sum invested in scheme A be X and that in scheme B be 13,900 minus X. Then X into 14 into 2 by 100 because he is getting 14% interest plus 13,900 minus X into 11% interest into 2 years divided by 100 is equal to 3,508. It is 28X minus 22X is equal to 3,50,800 minus 13,900 into 22. In other words, 6X is equal to 45,000 or X is equal to 7,500. So sum invested in scheme B is 13,900 minus X. That is 13,900 minus 7,500 is equal to 6,400. It is not an easy one. This type of problems and all candidates, you can do only if you do more problems like this, practice different type of questions and practice. Then it will become easy for you. So we will stop this simple interest with this today with a note. Tomorrow when we come, we can do some compound interest, time and work, time and distance. Please note down. I wanted somebody for being posted as admins of the group. Are the admins of the language groups here available? Are the admins of language groups available here? No. So please send. I think I have already requested them to send it. If you send, I will make you admin of our group, bigger group also, so that you can inform others and all that. So today, for the sake of this thing, Anu Krishnan,
Yes, sir.
please note down time and distance,
Okay.
time and work,
Okay.
compound interest.
Okay.
These three, let people work out and come tomorrow for class. Tomorrow class is as it is. 1 minute. Let me see the timing. Tomorrow, can you come at 6 o'clock in the evening. 6, we will start at 6. No, not 6. 6 means my lunch, my breakfast time will be affected. Okay, we will start at 7. We will start at 7, go up to 9 or so, depending on how we study. If it is interesting, if more people come, then we will continue for some more time. Otherwise, we will close it in 1 hour and all, or we may take some other subject also. So we can do these 3 subjects. Anu Krishnan, please put in the group time and distance, time and work, compound interest, plus what we shall do. Maybe we can do some general awareness. I think one day I told you general awareness, but we did not go with that. Is it not? Some July issue. Anybody is there who was present that day also? I gave you some assignment of some cooler or some material I have given July month general awareness. I wanted you to prepare, and we have not discussed that. Did we discuss that?
We did, sir.
Oh, we did. Very good. Thank you. So what we will do, we will take up for tomorrow affairs cloud questions. Affairs cloud questions June. Anu Krishnan, please put it like this.
It is not visible. Are you showing?
I will show it to you. Affairs cloud. 1 minute. Affairs cloud will be available in general awareness. It is there in general awareness. General awareness, it is available. 1 minute. Yeah, 1 minute. Let me close this recording. Just a minute. We have been going for more than an hour.